In couples recovery, respect for one another doesn't just magically return. It has to be rebuilt brick by brick, choice by choice. To rebuild respect, you must live with integrity. Respect is the belief that someone is worthy of honor, trust, and consideration. When betrayal happens, that belief is shattered. You can't rebuild it with words alone. It has to be proven through actions. Integrity is the bridge between broken respect and restored respect. Integrity means your actions match your values. It's the alignment between what you say you believe and how you actually live. It's the quiet consistency of showing up the same way in private as you do in public. It's telling the truth even when it's hard. It's keeping your promises, not just once, but day after day, in small things and big things. Think of it like rebuilding a damaged home. Respect is the beautiful front porch where people can gather, but integrity is the framework holding it up. You can repaint the porch all you want, but if the beams underneath are rotted, it won't stand for long. Every time you follow through on a commitment, you replace a piece of damaged wood with something solid and new. Over time, the structure becomes strong again, and people begin to feel safe standing on it. At first, living with integrity may feel deliberate, even awkward. You have to consciously choose it, moment by moment. But the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. Over time, integrity stops being a choice you remember to make and simply starts becoming who you are. For the partner who acted out, integrity looks like transparency, follow through, and a willingness to be accountable. For the betrayed partner, integrity might mean communicating honestly and candidly about your needs, holding boundaries, and showing up for the recovery work you've committed to. When both partners live with integrity, respect begins to grow again, because respect is built on trust that your words and actions will line up. That kind of trust can't be rushed, but it can be rebuilt, one choice at a time. Building a life of integrity doesn't happen by accident. It requires intention. That's where your personal recovery plan comes in. It's not just a checklist. It's rather a framework to help you live with purpose, keep your commitments, and create the kind of relationship you want to have.